Welcome to my YouTube channel with another interesting video. And today I am going to tell you about how to take stable videos and pictures in iPhone with very simple trick. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. There are two things which can make your photos and videos stable and accurate, and I guarantee if you follow this, your photography becomes 100% better. Now, when I open camera on my iPhone, this type of line appears on the screen while taking any photo or video. You can see this line. This is called leveler line, and when its color turns yellow, it means your device is perfectly stable and straight. And when you click photo or video, it becomes more stable as compared to default settings. Now, how you can enable this setting in camera? First, go to Settings, then scroll down and open Camera app. Here, you can see this option level. Turn this on, and now your camera will have a line between it to level the photos and videos. Now, the second thing which you have to do is always place the object between this central box of grid lines. Either taking a picture or video, place the object here. Now the question is how to turn on grid lines. Go to Settings, then Camera, and here, turn on grid lines. By these 2 seconds, I guarantee that your photos and video will be more stable and accurate than before. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos like that.